everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you our breakfast nook. First we will start with the pantry. This is actually a wardrobe from IKEA, but we turned it into a pantry that is very messy. It's not very organized, but this is what we got right now. This side is for all the Asian foods and seasonings. Alright, let's move on. This is a light filtering shade that we got from Home Depot. My husband installed it himself because they were trying to charge us $600 for them to do it for us. These curtains, by the way, are from Target Threshold brand, and it is a light filtering stitched edge curtain panel in cream. I love how this filters the light. It's the perfect brightness, and I love how the edge stitching looks like this, and it matches my total colors in the breakfast nook area. At first I thought it was black, but it's actually a very dark gray, and this is a 54 by 84 inch length. This curtain rod is in the ball style. It is 48 to 86 inch, and I got this from Amazon. And that gather sign, yours truly made them. This light fixture is also from Home Depot. I have a full video of this. You can check that out in the links below. Now let's move on to the home coffee bar. I also have a full video of this. You can check that out in the top right corner by clickety click. But I love this area, you guys. It's used daily. We've got the espresso machine. We've got the normal machine. We've got the Keurig machine, and everything that smells like fresh ground heaven is here. And I know you love syrup sweeteners. I have that all up there with espressos and lungos and Bray Done mugs. And this is why happiness is homemade. Alright, let's move on to the table. This is from IKEA. This is so beautiful. I love the light gray with brown, and this randomly has a drawer in here, which I didn't even know until after we bought it and built it. I was like, what in the world? Cool, but we don't use it. I also found trash in here because the kids thought it was trash can. This table seats 6 people. We only bought 5 chairs because this thing can get expensive. Plus, we only have 5 members in this family, but I love this so much. This table can also seat 4 or 2 people depending on how you want to use it. But yeah, it folds down, which I love. I also find out there was a whole bunch of crumbs in the middle over there. Oh my gosh, I am always cleaning, honestly, wiping stuff, sweeping stuff on the floor. This broom dustpan set is so awesome. It is adjustable, so it works for short people and tall people. Now it's all clean. By the way, to put this back up, there is like this little circle thingamabob that you can put on top of that, so it won't move. And the only thing I have over here is just a paper towel holder and a cookie jar. Speaking of cookie jars, let's go eat a cookie. These cookies are so good. It is the Hawaiian Cookie Company, and I am gonna buy to eat the matcha one. Want to watch more videos? Check this video out and you'll learn all about the coffee bar.